Hi, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? Hedera Hashgraph holder in last 24 hours, Hedera Hashgraph were very badly falls down, very bad dump, my friend. After a very good profits, my friends, definitely the coin was completely going in the garbage. So what's the main reason, my friends, they were falls down? And can after this dump they will pumps up again, they will moving upward. Everything I am going to discuss you, but please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, in this time, as you can see here, Hedera Hashgraph is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. The price is very badly decreased now in last 24 hours. In last 24 hours, you can see here, my friend, this coin were fails down, but absolutely, my friend, as you can see here, all currencies now and very badly fails down. So therefore, I will notify you to please, if you want to get a profit now, buy it. I hope, my friends, we will never disturb you. So this time, my friends, the Hedera Hashgraph price file is absolutely, my friends, sell now to what you will need to do to be safe from the loss. And I hope, my friend, after a very long time they will you do this now. So a Hedera Hashgraph, my friend, after a short dump definitely take a very huge jump. So therefore I know to coming days, my friends, this coin will completely go in the moon now. Thanks for watching my all Hedera Hashgraph holder. Please, my prediction is going to be positive. What's your price prediction? Share it in the comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.